Hi there. It's Professor Monty, and let's understand the midpoint formula. Okay, so I've got a picture over here. If I've got 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2, the midpoint between those 2 points is just the point right in the middle. Now, the formula to get it is really easy, because if we think about the middle of two things, that's the average. And how do you find the average? You just add them up and divide by 2. And so the midpoint formula, that's what we're going to do. How do you find the average of the x's? We know it's a point. Well, the x point is the average of the two x values. It's x1 plus x2 divided by 2. And the average of the y values is y1 plus y2, also divided by 2. And it's just that as a point. That's my formula for the midpoint. Let's use that to do this one. Find the midpoint between the points 1, 2, and 7, 8. It doesn't matter which one you pick to be point 1 and point 2, but for ease, we'll pick this to be point 1 since it's the first one listed. So that's going to be x1, y1. That's going to be x2, y2. And now we just use the formula. So the midpoint, okay, we know it's the average of the x's. So add them and divide by 2, and the average of the y's. It's just going to give us, of course, a point. And so we get, well, x1 plus y2 is 1 plus 7 divided by 2. And the average of the y is 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Call that the midpoint. Don't call that m because m we use for the slope. So let's see, we get 8 divided by 2, and we get 10 divided by 2, and so we get the point 4, 5. And if you want to sketch a quick graph to see if that makes sense, that's sort of in the way that, that could be a 1, 2, that could be a 7, 8, and 4, 5 seems reasonable for that point. But that's the idea. It's the average of the x's and the average of the y's, just written as a point. So I think if you remember that, it'll be a real easy concept. And so just go take this on, get your points, and go from there.